Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to replace the light harness in a 2017 Forward Hot Spring Spa. If your light harness is burned or damaged like the one in this video, it's time to replace the harness. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, wire cutters, and impact driver with a square bit. Parts you will need: 78052 LED point of light harness. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Unthread the broken lens with a small flathead screwdriver. Step 3. Use needle nose pliers to grab the bulb and remove it from the housing. If the bulb is melted or will not loosen, you must replace the harness. Step 4. To access the light harness, you must remove the panel. Loosen the 2 screws on the panel clips, slide the clip to the left, and pull the clip down. Step 5. Lift the door up and over the clips to remove the door. Step 6. Dig out the foam until you reach the light harness. Step 7. The harness nut is glued to the shell. Discard the nut that comes with the new harness. Step 8. Cut the harness cord and unthread the damaged harness from the nut. Step 9. Install the new harness by threading it clockwise into the nut and tighten it with a screwdriver. Step 10. Dig into the foam until you locate the harness connector. Step 11. Unplug the old harness connector and plug in the new harness connector. Make sure the arrows on the connectors line up. Step 12. Wrap the connector up with tape and place it back inside the spa. Step 13. Install the panel and tighten the panel clips. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.